Welcome back to Music Theory Made Simple. Today we're going to look at how to play the C major scale with our left hand. First of all, look for two black keys and C is on the left. And we're going to look at the scale descending. So we start with going down 3 keys. 1, 2, 3. Then we tuck our thumb onto the G. And we finish with our 5th finger on C. Then we come back up. When we get to our thumb, we bring our 3rd finger over. And that completes the C major scale with our left hand. Tuck our thumb. Bring our 3rd finger over. Now if we do it ascending, we start with our 5th finger on C. Come up. Come up all 5 fingers onto the thumb, and then we bring our 3rd finger over, tuck the thumb, and if you go to 2, 3 or 4 octaves, the pattern is the same, you just tuck your finger more regularly. Here we go. Bring your 3rd finger over, put your thumb there, then you're going to bring your 4th finger, 3rd finger, thumb back under. You don't land on the C with your little finger, you tuck it under and you put your thumb there to start the pattern again. And this applies to most of the scales, this pattern that you're going to learn on the piano. Look forward to seeing you again here on Music Theory Made Simple.